Hey guys, just wanted to recap what you did last Thursday with the zero product property. So the whole idea behind it is if you have two numbers that are multiplied together to equal zero, the only way that's possible is if at least one of those numbers is zero. So either A is going to be zero or B is going to be zero, right? There's really no other way to have two numbers multiply together to be zero. So using this idea, we're going to go over here and start solving for quadratics that look like this. So in order for us to solve this, we're first going to put it into factored form. So we will draw our box over here. I know x and x give me x squared. And then for 10, I need two numbers that will multiply to 10 and add to 7. So those would be 5 and 2 or 10 and 1. Of course, 5 and 2 will be the answer because those also add up to 7. So my factors are going to be x plus 5 times x plus 2 equals 0. So we just took this equation and transformed it into the factored form. Now we can use the zero product property. So we know if two quantities are being multiplied together and they equal 0, that means by the zero product property that at least one of them has to be 0. So either x plus 5 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. And from there, it's just simple algebra to solve for x. Minus 5, x equals negative 5, and minus 2, x equals negative 2. So that is how we are taking the idea of the zero product property, where if two numbers multiplied together equals 0, then at least one of them has to be 0, and applying it to solving using factoring. And again, this only works, this is very important, if they're set equal to 0. That is very important. Thanks, guys.